Hello, Forex for Beginners family. My name is Masha. I'm based in the UK. I recently enrolled onto Saad Ali's Forex for Beginners Academy. I've been going through the course for about a couple of months now, and I'm finding it extremely useful. I started off this journey very recently, and I remember watching a lot of YouTube channels to learn Forex trading. But I never really got the proper concept of Forex trading until I came across Saad Ali's Academy on Facebook. So the thing I like the most about Saad Ali's course is the structure of it. It is well structured course. It goes through everything right from the basics of trading. I mean, right from showing you how to set up your trading account all the way to, well, from the demo account, all the way to setting up a real account. It goes through, chart analysis, using TradingView as for chart analysis. It goes through the structure of the market, how to identify breakouts, support and resistance, how to label those on your charts. I really like the Fibonacci retracement tool. I find that very useful. I'm still learning, of course, but I am finding it quite useful. And I think the most important thing I've come to learn, especially on the last lesson I've done, was risk management. Very, very important because it is very easy to lose money in this Forex business. So risk management is very important. And I think controlling emotions, there is nothing more important than controlling your emotions. I know I have on my demo account, the emotions taking over, and I felt like just trading and trading and trading, even though I wasn't making any profits, just because I thought, oh, I see, a breakthrough here, but it really wasn't. So it's just staying calm, just watching the market and see what it's going to do before setting those trades in. So I'm really grateful for this course. If anyone is looking to finding a course that can help you understand Forex trading, I highly recommend Saad Ali's Forex for Beginners Academy. It is free. Where else would you find something free that teaches you all the basics that you need to know and then some? So enroll people and enjoy the course. Thank you so much, Saad Ali. I really appreciate this course. Thank you.